Today, I'll show you how to generate and send an invoice in Clio. Whether you're new to Clio or just need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Creating and sending invoices is a crucial part of managing your practice, and Clio makes it both straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the Billing tab located on the left-hand menu of your Clio dashboard. This is where all your billing activities are managed, making it the central hub for any invoicing tasks. Once you're in the billing section, look towards the top right corner for the New Bill button. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating a new invoice. Now, you'll be prompted to choose your date range filters. This step is important as it allows you to specify which time period you're billing for, ensuring that all relevant charges and fees are captured on the invoice. After selecting the appropriate dates, move on to setting your invoice date. This is the date that will appear on your invoice, which can affect payment terms and client expectations, so choose wisely. Next, establish your payment terms. This could mean setting the terms as due upon receipt or any other arrangement that suits your business model. Clearly defined payment terms are crucial for maintaining cash flow and setting clear expectations with your clients. Once you've set these parameters, click on Generate Draft. This will create a draft version of your invoice that you can review and edit before finalizing. It's always a good idea to thoroughly review the draft to ensure accuracy. Here, you can make any necessary edits to the invoice details, such as adjusting line items, correcting any errors, or adding additional notes for the client. Taking the time to review the draft can prevent potential misunderstandings or disputes later on. After you're satisfied with the draft, it's time to approve it. You'll find the Approve button at the top of the table. Alternatively, if you're inside the invoice view itself, you can also click Approve in the top right corner. Approving the invoice signifies that it's ready to be sent to your client and is a final step in the internal review process. With the invoice approved, you're now ready to send it out. Clio offers straightforward options for sending invoices directly to your clients, ensuring they receive it promptly and can make payments accordingly. This step is crucial as it not only communicates the amount due, but also reinforces the professionalism of your practice. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully generated and sent an invoice in Clio. This process is designed to be efficient yet thorough, helping you maintain accurate and effective billing practices. Remember, consistent and clear invoicing is key to maintaining good client relationships and ensuring timely payments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our tutorials. Happy billing!